Peace and blessings to all my kings and queens, my royals. We're all regal here on this channel. Welcome to anyone that's new. If you haven't already subscribed, please do so you can know when I upload a video. But also hit that bell because that's how you find out when I put another video up. Somebody just hit me and said that they didn't see. Oh, I think it was Naturally Nirvana. I love her so much. Saying she didn't know how she missed the video. I'm looking at a little thumbnail. But that's my girl, Natural Nirvana. Thanks, sweetheart. I will send you a message back. So that's a beautiful queen right there. Okay, you're probably wondering why I'm sitting here and don't have my Nazi dreads out right now. Well, it's because this is a part 2 of I sat back and I brought a product and I brought all the stuff, and I really want people to understand and know, the pros and cons that I have found out through wearing these caps and all the type of stuff that came from King James, a company called King James or whatever. I want to make sure that people know exactly what to expect and what they should do. So this is part 2, and it's going to be the pros and cons of these caps. Okay, first and foremost, you may see the cap that I have on now. Actually, I have on a wrap and I have on a cap. This is not the normal cap I would wear. I bought it because I needed another one, and I needed another black one, and this was the only thing I could find. I went to a lot of different stores, and this was it. So this one is the spandex cap for dreadlocks, unisex, of course, but it was super long. I had been advised not to use the super long, definitely, and I can tell you this. I just started wearing it yesterday, and went to the amusement park or whatever, kicked it, had both my wrap and this band on. This band has slipped from the front of my head all the way back here. So it's something I definitely will not be purchasing again. Well, my hair is super heavy, so that could be the reason for the pull, and for why it's looking like that. If you can see, my band is right here, and I wanted it like right there. And so it's probably going to pull. And you don't want it to pull because you don't want your hair to be exposed, 1. And 2, you don't want it pulling your hair because that can cause, breakage. So that's the reason why I said once I take this off today, I won't be wearing it again. And that's the super long. Do not buy the super long. I really think maybe if your hair is long but it's not heavy, it may be okay. You could try it or whatever. But I'm just not really into the super long because it makes sure it says, okay, let me tell you what it says. It says it's lightweight, breathable, ultra stretch, comfortable band, stay put during, it says it stay puts during sleep and high impact activity, preserving hairstyle and sleep, protecting your hair, which they spell HIAR, from breakage, prevent lint and locks, super long size covers, bigger locks. And then it says a 4-way stretch material allows your hair to fall back naturally. I may not want my hair to fall back. I'm used to it being kind of up in like a little kind of bubble, so I could wrap, put another wrap around it, and, it looked like a little bun in the back. I don't necessarily like this style. I could rock it. Don't get it twisted. I could rock it, but not with the band all the way back here. So let's talk about, of course, you all know that I brought several. Here's the dreadlocks tube that I have on, so you can see what the tube actually looks like. That's how long the tube is. I have that in almost all the colors. And then let me see if I can find one of the, okay. And now this is the dreadlock, okay, this is the dreadlocks band. So the other one that I have on is the tube. I keep confusing them. This is the dreadlocks band, and as you can see, it is way smaller than the, I like just using this for, just added color to put around my hair depending on what I'm wearing. I'll use this with a tube and with a cap at the same time. So I'll have on 3 different things. And it comes in a lot of different colors. It says one size covers most locks. Stays put during high impact activity. Same thing. Comfortable band, ultra stretch, breathable, lightweight. And that's it. So it comes in a lot of 8 colors. So we have the dreadlocks tube again, because I keep calling it different things. It's called a tube. I done said wrap, band, everything, but it's a dreadlocks tube, and that's what I have on right now. The regular caps that I have are these, and that's what it says, unisex regular. Okay, this one is yellow. It says a 4-way stretch material that allows your hair to fall. It doesn't make your hair. This one does not make your hair fall back. I've never had this make my hair fall back. So that's it's not true for me. But all of it, you know, you want to prevent locks in your hair, preserve your hairstyle, protect your hair from breakage. I don't know why they keep spelling hair wrong. That's bothering me. And this comes in 8 colors. So let me tell you what I feel about these. I've been rocking them for some months now. I do love them. I definitely love them. But some of the tips that I can give you as far as purchasing, those only cost like $3.99 to $4.99 each one. Even the bands cost the same price, even though it's way less material. You know, so I only brought like maybe 4 of the bands or whatever. You know, because I was just like, man, this stuff costs as much as the wraps. The tubes, and I'd rather have something that I could really work with. You know, besides, you know, there has some length to it. So, okay, first and foremost, I went outside. I had one of the little, is it called a band? I keep forgetting what it's called. Okay, it's a band. The small one is the band. And I had on a black cap. I went outside. It started raining. I go inside the house, and the band that I had on is discolored. The black tube, I noticed that when it got wet, because I hadn't washed it yet, it was actually a new one too. It discolored my yellow band, and I tried to cleanse it and everything and get it out. Did not come out. Did not come out. So what I suggest is definitely wash these things before wearing them. You know, make sure you get it good, you know, get a good washing, you know, don't stretch it or anything, but just, you know, wash it or whatever, because the last thing you want, sorry for the clothes in the background, I went on a little vacay and didn't put my clothes up, so they're in my beauty room. Okay, you don't, let me say, you don't want, you know, anything that has that much pigment in it to sit back and mess up. Like if you have a, you know, different color band, or you might have something else that you tie around it that's not, you know, part of the King James product or whatever, because I use different scarves and stuff too, and the last thing you want is to destroy like a beautiful scarf that you may use or whatever, just for decor or whatever, with your King James little caps and all that type of stuff. So yeah, hands down, I mean, yes, it's a good product. I would say my first black cap that I used, I didn't use it, sorry for my dog, I didn't use it like every day, but as summer came in, I noticed that I was using it a whole lot more, especially, and I, you know, I had cleansed out, I'm kind of washing them like every week or whatever, but it lasted for a long time, and I was like, really, this is great. But when I started using my second cap, I noticed that, okay, somebody's coming in, so he's barking like crazy. When I wore my second cap, I noticed that it didn't last as long because I had been wearing it like every day. I had kept my hair covered. I like to keep my hair covered when I'm in the house because I have a dog and hair flies around. I like to keep my hair covered when, you know, when I go out and I might be around like a lot of people or whatever, and I just don't want that energy on my hair. I definitely keep it covered at night when I go to bed because I don't want lint or anything to touch my hair. I don't want breakage or anything. And if I don't sleep on a satin pillowcase, this is definitely what I've been wearing. So the more you wear it, the more, of course, it's going to stretch. You know, so just be mindful of that. I love the different colors that they have. Overall, I love the product, but these are some things that you should know. If your band at any given time, if your cap at any given time starts to pull back, it's time to just let it go, you know, and get another one. They reasonably priced, easy to get, like another one. Sorry, you know, I gotta do my thing. Y'all know I'm on H2O every day, all day for the past I don't know how many years. Hmm. I drink too much to drink from a cup. I can't do it. Make sure you all are putting fluids in your body. A gallon a day is great. If you can do a gallon a day, that's cool. You don't have to add anything to it. I mean, if you're starting off doing it, you know, go ahead and put like a lemon in it or whatever, and that'll give it a little flavor. I would suggest that's really the only thing that I would suggest. No, I don't drink alkaline water. That's not my thing. I just don't fall into like a lot of hypes, you know. So I'm just like this. Let me just do some natural distilled water. That's it, and it's all good. Okay, back to the King James. Definitely, like I said, wash your caps. Um, wash your tubes. The tubes. Wash your wraps and your bands. I'm sorry, your wraps and your bands. Um, I would suggest getting like a lot of colors and stuff because it's a nice little way to protect your hair. And if you're going out somewhere and you want to, you know, just have that protection, it's cool to have like some different color bands to match what you're wearing or whatever. But again, when the band, the cap, all those things, if any of them start pulling against your hair, stop wearing it. Buy another one, you know, because they do stretch. This one was when I went to the amusement park yesterday. This one was not this long. It happened throughout the day. It stretched so long throughout the day. It was probably like up here, like that. So about this much is stretch. You know, when I put it on at 8:30 in the morning, it was up here. It wasn't down my back. I felt it slowly creeping down my back, and I was like, okay. Then I got to the point where I had to hold it to make sure that when I was on a ride or whatever, that it didn't slip like totally off because I could just feel it loosening up, like right now. Now I'm trying to pull it all the way down and just rock it like this for right now because I'm gonna put a little the thin one around for whatever. Well, I'm in all black, so I really don't need it, but sometimes you just want to pop a color. And that's it. That's all I really have. I just wanted to come in here because I did tell people. Matter of fact, I did a giveaway to a person, Star 64. I think it's Star 64. Um, and then I suggested this product. It's not sponsored. This is totally all my coins that I've used. King James has not reached out to me. And I also noticed that, and I was speaking with someone else, that some of them, all of them are produced in China. Some of them are sold or distributed in Illinois, which is where I live, and some are in Atlanta. And for some reason, we have all the Atlanta ones in the stores that I go to, which I think is kind of weird, kind of crazy, especially if they have a place for people to get these locally. It probably would be a little bit cheaper, you know. I don't know. I mean, that's not my thing. Um, Distribution and all that, but I'm just thinking. So I hope you all got something from this video. I'm gonna link the other video um, at the end, so you'll be able to check that video out and see me actually taking it off. You know, because I started off wearing it, taking it off, and showing my hair. And yeah, maybe I'll do that now. Okay, just to show you how much hair I have if you're new to this channel. I'm struggling, y'all. Help me. Okay, so this is the hair that was in in that cap. Okay, and this is how this cap stretched. Oh my God, look at this, y'all. This is how far the cap stretched. Wow. I'm gonna show you. Okay, I'm gonna show you a regular cap. This is size regular. That was size extra long, whatever. Look at this one. This was way smaller. If I could put them all together. Hold on. Okay, we have that one. And then I gotta raise this up. And then we have this one. So this one is like right here on that. And then bring it down. See how much difference there is? That's a major difference. I would never buy super long again. I just can't do it. It was a waste of money for me because I don't need anything that's going to stretch like that and not protect my hair. Here is how long the other part is. So I can actually like wear that down like that. I don't really care for it like that, but I like to wear it with my caps. So I just kind of keep it like that. So that's it, you guys, for this video on Kings and Queens, my royals. Stay tuned. I'm coming up with something. People want me to do a makeup video and everything, and I'm just like, I'm not a makeup guru. I do wear makeup, and I learn everything, to be honest, from not Facebook. Yeah, from group in Facebook, as well as just watching YouTube videos. So it's kind of hard. I think I probably would do a video just letting you know what type of products I use or whatever, and that's it. I just don't feel that I'm qualified to sit back and talk makeup, besides what I buy, what I have, that I'm an addict when it comes down to buying, especially eyeshadow palettes. I just received 3 today, and that's the makeup you see me wearing right now on my eyes. Okay? Alright, so stay tuned for the next video. I love you all. Thank you for rocking with me all the time. All my old kings and queens, I appreciate, all the comments that you will use. Oh, if you have these products by King James, leave me a message down below and let me know what you've experienced with them. Please let me know that you probably brought one or whatever, and what was your experience with them. So if you have any questions, also leave it down below, and I'll get back in touch with you when I can. I will definitely answer everybody who, in the comments. Y'all know that. That's how I do it. I'm not a large channel, so I don't have any problems with responding to positive questions, because I will not tolerate any negativity on this channel. So, if you come at me positive, then I got you. I got you. If it's not positive, I'll delete your comment point blank. So again, I love you. I love you all. Hope you're having a wonderful summer, and I hope to be back on here very soon. It's just, it's summertime. I've been doing a lot, especially with my daughter, and hey, I try to do what I do when I can. Much love, blessings, and balance.